the ABC.
ABC, ABC.
Let's learn the ABC
Of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter A. A is for alligator.
Alligator, alligator.
A is for airplane. Airplane, airplane. A is for Andy.
Andy, Andy.
Now we go with letter B.
B is for bear. Bear, bear.
B is for book. Book, book.
B is for Brianna. Brianna, Brianna.
It's the turn for letter C.
C is for cat. Cat, cat.
C is for car. Car, car.
C is for Charlie. Charlie, Charlie.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters A, B, and C.